वहीं यूक्रेन के सफीर बराए हिंदुस्तान इगोर पोलेखा और बरतानिया के हाई कमिश्नर बराए हिंदुस्तान ने यूक्रेन के खिलाफ रूस की जंग में हलाक होने वालों को अपना खिराज भी पेश किया। दिल्ली में उन्होंने रूस और यूक्रेन के दरमियान जंग में हलाक होने वालों को याद करके गहरे दुख का इजहार किया।
We launched the ceremony of the commemoration of the victims of this brutal war. Unfortunately, among them, there is growing amount of children. We are ready to hold this commemoration ceremony every evening till the end of the war. I am trying to be optimistic that it will not last long, and at last the peace will prevail. But now I am inviting each of you, please light the candles here, and you will see one very simple and most significant now inscription: the word peace. Sure, no war. The most slogan: no war.
A full-scale invasion of a democracy by its neighbour. It is totally unjustifiable. It is calamitous from a humanitarian point of view. Look at all the thousands of Indian students who are caught in the conflict, the hundreds of thousands of people who are displaced, the thousands of people who are dying, and for what? For nothing. Maybe what it is for is because President Putin fears what Ukraine aspires to, which is openness, freedom, democracy and opportunity.